The gluteal muscles, also known as the glutes, are an important group of muscles that can often become tight and tense because of factors like prolonged sitting, physical activity, or poor posture. In this tutorial, we'll show you some simple and effective techniques using the KOAPRO Massage Tools to release tension in your glutes and improve your myofascial health. Before starting the massage, warm up your muscles with a few minutes of cardio or stretches to get your blood flowing and prepare your body for massage. You can use the KOAPRO Massage Tools on bare skin with oil or over form-fitting clothing. Begin with light pressure to warm up the tissue. You can use back and forth massage strokes in different directions and angles, covering the outer, middle, and inner glute muscles. If you come across a sensitive or tight area, ease up on the pressure and focus on the surrounding areas to allow for a full release. Gradually increase sustained pressure as needed. Each KOAPRO massage tool has unique features and capabilities for restoring the myofascial tissues in different ways. You can use the KOAPRO end thumbs to apply deep pressure and release trigger points in the gluteus muscles and surrounding areas. While massaging, try to breathe deeply and allow your body and mind to relax and release tension. Listen to your body and adjust the pressure and technique according to what feels appropriate for each area. For best results, massage each area for about 1 to 3 minutes a few times a week. With consistent use, you'll notice less tension, improved range of motion, and better performance and recovery. Remember, you can use KOAPRO tools anytime you feel discomfort or want to enhance your performance and well-being. Be sure to check out our other KOAPRO tutorials for more techniques on other muscle groups. Get ready to enjoy more relaxed and healthier muscles with the help of KOAPRO Massage Tools.